Hello, welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. So a simple curve having a degree of curve equal to 6 degrees is connected by two tangents having an azimuth of 240 degrees and 280 degrees respectively. It is required to replace this curve by introducing a transition curve 80 meters long at each end of a new central curve which is to be shifted at its midpoint away from the intersection of the tangents. Question A. Determine the radius of the new central curve if the center of the old curve is retained. Question B. Determine the distance of the new curve if shifted away from the intersection of the tangents. Question C, compute the length of throw. So you can see this is our figure. Yan. So ito yung ating old curve, yung ating simple curve. Then papalitan natin yan ng spiral curve. Ito yung bago. So first is pinapahanap sa atin is yung radius ng new central curve kung itong center na to is ni-retain. So ito yung hinahanap natin, yung RC na ito. Okay? So yung bagong radius ng spiral curve. Yan. So next is yung distance naman nung ating from the new curve galing dun sa dati. So ito yung ating throw, yung P, almost the same lang din siya nung length of throw, then or yung distance nila, ito yung layo niyan, yung offset nung dalawa, ito so, yung offset, yan yung hinahanap natin. So maging parang almost the same answer itong B and C. So first is let's solve yung ating problem. So as you can see, kung ipa-plot natin yung azimuth na binigay, so meron tayo ditong 240. Ito, yung first given, and then yung ating 280. So kung wala tayong figure na given, so pwede nating lagyan dito. So let's say ito yung ating crosshair. So kung ipa-plot natin yan, so ito yung ating 240 degrees. Ayan, and then ito naman, ipa-plot natin to, ito yung ating 280 degrees. Ayan. So now is to get this is simple lang to. Kung nakuha yung 40 is 280 degrees minus 240 degrees lang yan. So equal yan sa 40 degrees kasi yung nag-intersect na dalawang azimuth, so yung angle nila is ipag-minus nyo lang yun, makukuha nyo na yung ating central angle. Okay, so to solve the problem, so for our first question, yung A, yung ating radius of the central curve. So using our formula ng ating throw, P equals LC squared over yung ating 24 RC. So dito, ang given natin is LC. Ayan, meron tayong transition curve na 80 meters long. So meron tayo dyang value na 80 meters. And then, i-check natin, may value ba tayo nung ating P? Meron ba o wala? Ayan. Try natin. And then, meron ba? So yung RC, yan yung ating hinahanap. So, pwede hanap tayo ng ating equation na in terms of RC. Ba? So, we can say, based dito sa ating old ating curve, tsaka yung ating gagawing bago, so we can say na yung ating P, yung ating PI, equal siya saan? Yung ating old curve, yung ating radius 1. So, minus natin dun sa bago, yung ating RC. Ayan. So, ito yan. So, for the figure, ito. So, ito yung ating R1 dati. And then, ima-minus natin ito yung magiging bago nating radius. Yung new central curve. So, ang matitiri na lang ito, which is yan yung ating throw. So, therefore, kung i-equate ko to, so, meron ba tayong radius ng R1? So, makukuha naman natin yan. So, check natin kasi meron naman tayong degree of curve na binigay. So, meron tayong D. So therefore, pwede nating equate. So, ito using, let's say this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So, combining yung ating using 1 and 2. So, meron tayong R1 minus yung ating RC equals LC squared over 24 RC. So, ayan. Meron na tayong naka in terms of radius. But, yung ating R1 is unknown pa siya. So, pero may binigay naman tayong degree of curve sa problem. So, solve na lang natin yan. Using yung ating degree of curve. So, remember yung ating formula na 1145.916 over the degree of curve. So, ang degree of curve na binigay sa atin is 6. Therefore, yung ating R1 equals, so 1145.916 divided by yung ating 6. So, meron tayong 190.986. Ayan. So, i-substitute lang natin yan dito. Ayan. So, meron tayong new value na 190.986 minus yung ating RC equals LC squared natin is 80. Therefore, magiging 80 squared dyan over 24 RC. So, therefore, yung ating RC equals, wait na lang natin, 190.986 minus X equals yung ating 80 squared over yung ating 24 RC, ating X. Shift calc lang natin. As you can see, when we check yung ating equation, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng R squared. So, therefore, may quadratic tayo. May dalawang magiging sagot. So, meron tayong RC1 and RC2. Pero, check natin sa dalawa kung ano ba talaga yung possible answer. So, for first answer is 1.40. 407. So, is this a possible answer ba yung 1.407 meters? So, napakaliit niya. So, let's try to solve more. So, lagay natin, instead na 0 yung nilagay kanina, let's try yung 500. Ayan. So, meron tayong 189.579. 189.579. So, this will be our final answer. So, gusto mo pang i-try ng 1,000, okay. Let's try kung may iba pang roots. So, I think yan na yung lalabas. 189. So, ibig sabihin, itong dalawa na nito ang roots. But, yung ating possible answer talaga dyan is yung ating 189.579. Okay? So, for our next question, ating question B, tinatanong naman dyan yung distance which the new curve is shifted away from the intersection of the tangent. So, let's say, yung ating P kanina, ito, yung ating value, ito. Okay? So, as simple as direct sub lang yan. So, meron tayong RC2. So, yung RC2 natin, let's store para maging sakto. So, lagyan natin to. Lagay natin to sa A. So, shift store A. Yan. So, for our question B, so, meron tayong P. P equals yung ating R1 minus RC. So, yung R1 natin is 1980.986 minus yung in-store natin sa A. So, meron tayong throw na So, 190 minus in-store natin sa A. So, meron tayong 0.42. Ayan. So, 190.986 pala, kulang tayo. Ayan. So, ayan. 1.407. So, 1.407 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ganyan kalayo yung ating distance. Ngayon, tinatanong naman is length of throw. Eh, di gamitin din natin yung formula ng throw. So, yung length of throw natin, yung ating LC squared over 24RC. Ayan. So, ito lang din yan sa kanina. So, meron tayong 80 squared over 24. Tapos, yung RC natin ay nakastore sa 8. Yan. So, meron tayong P equals 80 squared over 24A. So, I think 1.407 lang din yan. So, 1.407 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayan, kasi bakit naging pareha sila is dyan naman nanggaling yung ating main equation kanina. Ayan. Diba? So, as expected is the same yung kanilang answer. Okay? So, let's recap yung ating mga naging sagot. For our first question, yung the radius of the new central curve is 189.579. Be careful lang dito kasi nagkaroon tayo ng quadratic equation. So, meron talagang two expected answer but you need to choose kung ano dun yung tama, yung suitable. Okay? For this problem or question, yung RC2 yung naging suitable dun kasi sobrang liit nito, 1.407 meters lang. And then for question B is our answer is 1.07 or 1.407 meters, and for question C, the length of throw is 1.407. And that would be all, and thank you for watching.